Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to publish your Wix website. So this is very easy to do, so let's go ahead and do it. So basically, you're going to want to go ahead and click on all these options right here. Click Site and App option. Click Website. From here, you're going to want to go ahead and click Edit Website, and then go ahead, wait for the website editor to load up on Wix. Now, it's going to take a little bit because it does have to load up a few stuff. So once you're actually here, it's as easy as going to the top right hand corner and clicking Publish. Now you guys can see if you click Publish, it will go live with your site so anybody can see it. So as soon as you make it live or publish it, it's going to go live and pretty much everybody can see it. So go ahead and click Publish, and from right here, it's going to take a bit. Now basically, you can go ahead and add a custom branded domain if you want to pay a little extra money, but if you just want the free website, then you can go ahead and just add it like this and just pretty much go ahead and press done. Now basically, once that is actually done, you're going to want to refresh the page, guys, and then your website should be published. Now I'm going to go ahead, head over back to the website right here where it says website. We're gonna go ahead and refresh, and then basically it should say that the website is now published, and it should say it is live. You can see right here it is live now. Now the website can be seen by anybody. So that's pretty much how you go ahead and publish your website. It's pretty easy to do. So with that being said, hopefully you found the video helpful. Like and subscribe to the channel, guys, and I'll go ahead and see you guys for the next video.